Look at them stinking tines, boy.
Okay, so we just got an email that totally spurred a ton of thought. The question was, if you could have the perfect day, what would you do? And I sat back and I've been thinking about it so much lately. And that's not like a simple answer, because I love to hunt, I love to fish, I love to dive. That's such a hard question. So the only way I can properly answer that is by showing you. And my perfect day would start out by A, bringing back a very good friend of mine, Jason Tandros, who passed away a few years ago from a bee sting on the hand. He was an amazing guy, lived in Adams County, Illinois, and we had so much fun deer hunting together.
Look at him posturing. Hey, bro. Me. Just make sure you stay back, yeah. Me. He's probably gonna come around to the other side of the tree. I'm on him. I'm on him. I'm on him. Stop him. Hold on. Wait. No. Lean forward. I'm on him. Now.
I know one thing. Got some of that right there, baby.
Now I know a lot of you guys don't appreciate that shot shooting down at such a sharp angle, and you know what? If I had it all to do over with, I might have let that deer get around, but earlier that day, we let a giant get away, like giant, because my cameraman didn't have the angle and I had the shot, and next thing you know, I could see 100 and whatever running away from me because it didn't work out. I shoot my bow a lot. I respect these deer to the most degree. That deer was right there at 5 yards. I was shooting a 2-blade Rage out of my Matthews Z7. I knew where the arrow was going, and the deer literally only went 100 yards.
Look at the phone. Stay right there.
Well, Jason, bro, I love you, and I miss you. I wish you were back. But my perfect day will continue in Tropic Star Lodge down in Peñas Bay, Panama.
This is Tropic Star Lodge. Just like that. And what you want is that bait to swim with that bait, with that hook right on his forehead. Oh, look at the fish right there! Look at the marlin right here! He's got it. We're tight! Look at him go, dude.
Yeah, baby, now we're gonna
What we're gonna do, this fish is smoking me. Smoking me. We're gonna run him down going forward. Yeah. Tropic Star Lodge, baby. Second fish of the day. Three to one. Reel as fast as you can.
Beautiful fish. See one time, free jumping.
There you go. That's the show. That's the show. That's the show. Yeah, Martin. Here she comes. Oh, no. Here she comes, Jeff. She's gonna come out here jumping. Look at her go! Yeah! Another fish, at least 400. Otra más grande. Here's the leader. Tailing right on the sea here.
500 pounds. Beautiful. This is piña here. Many valleys.
Oh, that's Martin in Panama. Hold on, baby, hold on. Woo! Yes, son! Grab him, baby. Hang on to that fish. Here. What happened was the fish went under the boat. I backed off the drag, figured out where she was. She came back out. We're back on her. Watch out, she's gonna jump again. Look at all the red paint on the leader. Oh, beautiful fish. All lit up. All lit up. Oh, great fish. Look at that. We're gonna take that hook out of her mouth. Let her go. Wait. Got it. Got the hook right there. Look away, swim away, baby. Swim away. Look at that powerful tail. There she goes. Folks, look at that. Got the circle hook right in my hand. Fish swam away. Memory of a lifetime. Thank you so much, Captain. I got one blue marlin. I got one black marlin. What an amazing, amazing day. Levin. Hey. Me and me go. Yeah. This is Levin, boy. The mates, the captains, the boats, the lodge. This place is amazing. I'm 2/3 of the way to a grand slam. I've caught a Dorado, a blue marlin, a black marlin, and it's on.
Albert Batu, you are the man, and I can't wait to see you again. But this day rocks, and it's got to continue. My third favorite place to go would probably be out on Lake Okeechobee, catching big old largemouth bass from my buddy Buck Durrance. This guy is awesome. But we'd have to start off at my mom and dad's place there, Big Lake Lodge, catching some big wild shiners. Tomorrow we're gonna be bass fishing with Buck out on the lake. And when you're bass fishing on Lake Okeechobee, it's very important to have good live shiners. The bigger the better, because these bass will eat a monster shiner. Well, I think I got him. I guarantee I got something in there. Dos, tres. Oh, what? We'll find out tomorrow. Big wild shiner. Yeah. That's a smaller fish. Here's a nice fish. Three and a half pounder.
7 o'clock. We've been fishing for 30 minutes. There he is, that's him. There, that's a nice fish. That's a nice one. There you go. There you go. That's what you come Lake Okeechobee for right there. Come on up here, girl. Oh, got another rod. Come on, baby. Come on. Buck, I'm just gonna ease her up here and grab her by the mouth. Look at this. Look at that. Hook. There you go. Right. Look at that. You see how big and fat she is? That's all roe. That's all roe. It's an Okeechobee largemouth. Beautiful fish. That's success, folks. Live shiners on Lake Okeechobee. Wild action, catching a fish.
So I've killed a nice buck, I've caught a blue marlin, and I've got a boatload of bass. Now it's time to head south down to Uruguay with my very, very good friend Ryan Klesko, the legendary singer-songwriter Bobby Pinson, and my crazy friend Jeff Aderman. Unbelievable.
We are decoy pigeon shooting, which I've never done before. These are wild pigeons. They're big and they're tough as nails.
Everybody says you gotta go. Everybody says you don't know. Everybody says you gotta go. You don't gotta really just ask me.
Wow, Uruguay was amazing. And with all this action, I'd have to cool off in the beautiful, pristine waters of the Great Barrier Reef. I had the opportunity to fish and dive with Darren Hayden, Jason Holtz, Bo Jennings. Perfect day would have to include that. Spearfishing on the Great Barrier Reef for coral trout.
Holy mackerel! Doesn't get any better than this.
Oh, that was a good one.
And wait till you see how beautiful the fillets are off this. Come in right here, come back there. cheek medallion. So we come in right behind the cheek, just like this, right up towards the eye. I actually need to turn it around like this.
Well, I guess that about sums it up. And I had to make this video now because very soon I'm gonna have a little daughter, and I promise you, me and Sarah and little Aria are gonna make memories and shoot video all over the place. And then my favorite day, or the perfect day, would simply be seeing my beautiful wife and my beautiful little daughter doing anything. You guys, thank you so much for being a part of our channel, being a part of our lives. We love you all so much, and if you do enjoy our videos, subscribe. It's free. All you gotta do is click the subscribe button. And over here will be a list of some of my favorite videos that we've done so far. So please hang out on the channel for a while and tell a few of your friends about it. 2015 has been amazing, and we're marching forward towards 2016. Thank you all for being a part. We love you and we appreciate you. The perfect day is now over.